Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which battery firmware applies. Back up the device to iCloud or Finder. Once done, make sure the backup completes. Charge to over 20% or plug in a light. This prevents shutdown during diagnostics. Gather tools, a pentalobe screwdriver and a spudger. These first steps avoid data loss and allow safe disassembly. Do not proceed until backup and charge are verified. Once done with prep, check settings battery health and read the unverified message. Note any serial mismatch. Power the iPhone fully off. Remove the display gently, work slowly to avoid tearing flex cables, and disconnect the battery connector. Document connector positions with clear photos. This helps if connectors look similar. Install a genuine or correctly matched replacement battery, seat it fully, reconnect the battery and display. Then torque. After reassembly, boot the iPhone and check battery health. A correct install and calibration should show verified status. To calibrate, charge uninterrupted to 100%, then use the phone until it shuts down and recharge to 100% again. This helps the system measure capacity accurately. If the unverified label persists, power down and recheck connectors and seating. Once connectors are confirmed, consider reflash options if you have tools, or take it to Apple-authorized service. This single troubleshooting step resolves most recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.